is call each of our actors to the stage, and I hope you'll give them a warm round of applause. I'm sure you will. First off, can I please introduce our fan extraordinaire, Mr. Chris Finney. You know her as Sprite, we know her as Alies Meerman. Quite frankly, the most handsome man on the planet, other than David Wallace, Mr. John-Paul Bove. Everybody's favourite wrecker, Mr. Nick Roche. We do have one special appearance on our cast today, which we haven't announced before. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we have the voice of Scott and Alan Tracey from Thunderbirds Are Go, Rasmus Hardiker. And now on to some people you may not have heard of, but I'm just going to ask that you please give them an equally big round of applause. First off, Mr. James Horan! And you asked for him back by popular demand, Mr. Peter Spellos! Our final actor, the wonderful Sumalee Montano! And last but not least, although not on stage, can we please give a huge round of applause for our writer? It's not a latex mask after all, it's Mr. Simon Furman! Okay, so the boring bit, we just have to stress this is a strictly non-video segment. So please don't anybody take any videos. This is being recorded, so don't worry about that. You don't have to do it. Just sit back, enjoy the show. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We're ready?
The house lights dim, the curtain rises on a quasi-reality, desolate and empty, quite a bit like the auto assembly covers. For nameless, for legal reasons, faceless, hey, this is a voice play, megalomaniacal power brokers, known only as 4H, appear within the transportation mist to address
Death's Head, we have summoned you.
Not summoned, polite invitation, which I graciously accepted, yes.
Yes, that's what I meant, of course. We have a job for you, if you're interested. A hit.
Go on.
We want you to find and terminate the human Simon Plum before he gives birth to auto-assembly.
Interesting, yes. If a little unoriginal. How much?
2,000 shaniks?
Try 10,000, yes. It's something of a tradition.
Ah, okay. I guess we can always hike the price of the dealer tables for next year's show.
And with that, freelance peacekeeping agent. I know, but I just read what's written here. Freelance peacekeeping agent, Death's Head, departs on a mission in, well, convention side. Meanwhile, it is the year 1999, and on Earth, in a benefits bedsit in the concrete jungle of Birmingham, filled with toys still in their blister packs, Simon Plum dreams of, well, let's not go into that, but otherwise uppermost in his mind is a Transformers convention.
Are there any other sad, desperate people like me? If I build it, will they come? What was that? Who's there?
I'm Wheeljack, the rougher, tougher, wreckerish one, who speaks in hard-bitten sound bites. You know, the one who doesn't just make stuff.
And I'm Arcee, the less pink, not as psychotic or gender confused, but still not to be messed with.
Quit with the quivering, small, fleshy thing. We're here to save you, not squish you. In other words,
Come with us if you want to live.
Yeah, look, bargain hunt's on.
are we completely sure he's worth saving?
No time for second thoughts, partner. We have to go, now.
Partner? Wait a second. When did I become a partner? Don't partners have a bad habit of dying on you?
Grow a pair. Look at it this way. You've lasted longer than some.
That's so reassuring.
Where am I?
Cybertron. Our Cybertron.
I know, kind of quiet, ain't it? Been that way for a while.
Predacons Rising did us zero favors.
Unicorn defeated. Megatron departed. The scriptwriters laid off. So much for it never ends.
A few hardy Autobots and Decepticons stuck it out, maybe hoping for a regeneration of pride.
But with no dangling subplots or truncated story arcs, one by one they just gave up and moved on.
Now there's no one left.
Hi, I'm Nico. Who are you?
Except her. We just can't seem to shake her off.
Want to play guitar? Exactly the kind of truly lame rock music that gave the 80s about lame, huh?
Anyway, Wheeljack and I started delving into alternate realities, looking for other wars to fight.
Continuity glitches to right.
And in the process, we uncovered a time-twisting plot to stop auto assembly from ever being founded.
An assassin by the name of Death's Head. Oh, sorry, Marvel's Death's Head. Has been hired. Don't want to worry you, kid, but this machine can't be bargained with or reasoned with, and absolutely will not stop until...
Anyway, pity about Sven Harvey. He's already been erased from the collective auto assembly memory bank.
Yeah, something to do with a Star Trek convention. The fans have never forgiven him.
Simon.
Well, yeah, thanks so much. I'm drunk. That's what it is, Simon. I'm just walking around. Well, you're either one or the other, really. A Trek, you're a tranny. No, transform. Hello. I improv, Simon. So. Funnily enough, I was thinking about a Transformers convention, and
Look, our only chance, and the scriptwriter's only plot for these things, it seems, is to lose ourselves in the tangled timelines of Transformers continuity.
And gather random reinforcements.
Trouble is, Death's Head will be doing the exact same thing.
And if that's not a cue for a seat change, my name's not Curly Sue. On Skybyte, this is your chance, yes, to step out from Megatron's shadow, to be your own shark.
Turmoil, riptides tug, pulled one way then another, to ebb or flow, which...
Eh?
Just a little off-the-cuff haiku, expressing my conflicted state of mind.
Conflicted, huh? If I were you, I wouldn't want that getting out. People might say you're spineless.
Spineless? Spineless, sir? For the last time, I am not a jellyfish.
Okay. Okay. 500 shaddocks and all the Australian surfers you can eat.
Done. Megatron, hearken. Alarums and excursions call. Farewell, Mechamage.
This could get real old real fast.
Tell me, Deathset, was it my fearsome reputation that made you seek me out? My lethal qualities?
Not exactly. Skybytes. Meet my other recruits, yes. Carnivac. Dive Bomb. The Transformers Energon one. Who never got a lot of screen or page time.
I don't understand. What does this have to do with my selection?
Well, see, I had the vast predatory mammal and the vast predatory bird. So I just needed the vast predatory fish. To complete the set, yes.
Yes, so well. It's a living, I suppose. At least I am still the only shark in the Transformers universe.
Actually, we'll leave that scene of savage disillusionment. And go to another scene, that is, without the savage disillusionment, though that's a matter of opinion, I suppose. Anyway, over in the IDW-verse.
Scrap. Wheeljack, what's going on?
Carnage, confusion, mindless conflict. I love it here. Let's never leave.
Everywhere you look, battles, one blurring into another without rhyme or reason other than to sell more toys. Combiner Wars!
I love the smell of freshly molded Generations figures in the morning.
Let's find our first recruit and go. All this G1 nostalgia is making my paint job cry out for more pink.
Hey, where's the baggage?
Baggage? Oh, you mean Simon. Right here, clinging to my leg like a lost puppy, only without the cuteness.
Over there. I see her. You sure this is a good idea?
Hey, if Furman wants to reopen this can of worms, it's his funeral.
Hey, Arcee. Yes, you. You're on our team. A lone wolf like us.
Of all the much reimagined and retconned characters in the IDW universe, he chose me. Why?
Because you're bad. That's why.
I'm not bad. I'm just written that way.
Better hustle. The assassin's right on our tail. It's time to transform and... Well, it would be if Simon would just let go of my leg.
Here they come. Move!
Missed them, curses.
Fragile moments pass. The vagary of happenstance twists.
Shut up.
Philistine.
Hey, you four. What are you doing in our crossover event? It's strictly invitation only.
Who are you, huh?
I'm Windblade. Engard.
Shoot to kill. 9 pages in, and not one erector joke yet. But hang on, there's one coming up in a few scenes. Now, where was I? Oh yes, meanwhile, over in the Marvel UK universe, in the secret headquarters of the famed Wreckers. Hoo-ah! Wreck and rule! And for good measure, wreck and rule!
Music to my audio receptors. Hey, Impactor, wreck and rule right back at you, pal.
Who goes there? You're one of us. I can tell by the size of your wrecking balls.
Michael Bay, eat your heart out.
I'm Wheeljack. It's an honor to meet you, Impactor. You're a legend in all continuities. Whoever's writing you, even as a zombie, you kicked ass.
Want to do it one more time?
You bet. Wreck and rule. Wreck and rule.
Wreck and rule!
For pity's sake, get a room.
I'm so tired, I should have had a better diet when I was younger.
Was it good for you?
Let's get out of here before it turns into the equivalent of a Roach Roberts / fiction.
I'm with you, sister. By the way, what's that attached to your leg?
That baggage.
Miss them. Will you stop that dialogue? Or I'll just have to resort to purple prose again.
Ori, we're getting closer each time, yes.
Yeah, so it's a better right.
Things just grow up. I don't think
Those vacant expressions, those beaten brows. Where are we?
Must have taken a wrong turn, huh? This is the Transformers writers' room at Paramount.
They look tasty. Carnivac dive bomb. I feel a snack coming on.
Mercy killing, yes. At this point, with the script having run dry of gags, our heroes resort to a tried and true Furman method of lubrication, the pub. In this case, McAdam's old oil house.
No, I don't. Roy, can I have another point to get us, please, Bob?
Hey, anyone for a game of cyber darts? Wrecker style?
What are we doing in this place?
Safe haven. No one will think to look for us here.
In a Furman script?
Hi! I'm Swerve!
What can I get you guys? And I mean it in an overall non-gender specific, non-discriminatory way.
Old gasket oil in a dirty glass.
Make it two.
Baby sham.
Sweet cherry coming up there.
I
Hey, isn't that a rector over there? Looks like he's had a few already.
Yeah, but he's still upright. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Hey, little fella. What can I get you? Oh, we don't get many organics in here. Oh, you want to borrow a cyber penny? Sure, here. I'll just take this out of Andrew Wildman's Patreon pot. It's looking kind of lonely in there. Interdimensional payphone. It's right over there.
rescue?
Got you, yes.
Run! Hide! It's Death's Head! The bounty hunter! I'm too many to die!
Freelance peacekeeping agent, huh? How many times? How many barbots must I kill? Skybyte, Carnivac, dive bomb, eliminate everything that leaks.
Clamorous battle, engines of conflict collide. My name is Mayhem.
They're slaughtering everyone in the bar. Lube, clench, discharge, backfire.
Even erectors, calm down.
Quick! Get behind me! I have a doohickey.
You have a doohickey? Not from where I'm standing.
Idiot! It's the last-ditch weapon. Used only in dire straits, or when the writer's got himself or herself into a plot hole and can't get out.
Well, the doo-doo doesn't come much deeper than this. What are you waiting for? Fire!
What just happened? Suddenly I feel a little old-fashioned and crudely drawn.
That weapon shunted us into a freshly minted Transformers continuum.
Look, it's still alive. There are evolving storylines, character development, subplots, and...
Robots in disguise, yes. There's one now, coming out of the water.
I'm Hammerstrike. The mirror cracked, pale reflection. Oh, never mind.
Having ticked that little contrived meeting of his bucket list, Furman finally looks for a way out of this fine mess he's got himself into. I told him to leave well alone, but would he listen? Meanwhile, back in the cannons.
Where to now? There seems to be nowhere Death's Head and his kill crew can't follow.
I've got an idea. A trap so cunning you could stick a tail on it and call it Skylinks.
Oh, I'm sorry, didn't that call for a hoo-ha?
But what? Where? We've been written into a serious dead end here. I have a bad feeling I'm going to lose another partner any moment now.
No way. There's still one place, one twisted reality that may yet save our metal-glazed butts. Give me a wreck. Wreck! Give me a rule. Put them together. What do you got? Wreck and rule. Yeah, baby.
Let's go, please, before we drown in all this cyber testosterone.
I love you, man.
Where are we, Wheeljack? I don't recognize this place.
Hey, trust me, Arcee. It's time for the last stand of the wreckers.
Again?
Hey, if Roach can keep doing it, so can we.
Here they come.
Time to take out the trash.
No more running, yes. Let's give this audience the hard-to-stage audio battle they've been waiting for.
Excuse me while I change into something with lots of sharp, pointy teeth.
Lock and load. Choke on that, Con. I've got better things to do tonight than die. And any other hard-bitten epithets you care to mention.
Quick, other Arcee. Don't let him hog the best battle outbursts. Come to Mama, Con.
Kill, maim, destroy. Oh no, Furman's writing you again. They've come so far. Mellowed. All those hours of therapy.
Hey, that's supposed to hurt, Skybyte? I bet jellyfish with more sting.
For the last time.
Time to select the new weapon attachment. Let's see now. Fluffy bunny gun. Hearts and flowers grenade. Fairy dust dispenser. Oh no. I've been Disney-fied.
been shot and killed by a sniper's bullet at the tail end of a story. Again!
It's history, and the writer, repeating itself.
Who's this Clara? And what's he doing here? What kind of upside-down reality is this?
Good question, yes. I don't recognize it.
In fact, it seems to defy all logic. It's not one place or another. Look, Death's Head. Someone's coming.
Halt. Who goes there?
I am Dinobot.
No, me Dinobot. Me Grimlock.
My name is Dinobot. Idiot.
Dinobot idiot? Don't know him. Me Grimlock King. Who you?
Dinobot.
No, me Dinobot.
It's insane.
Getting insaner, yes? Look.
All must fall before the supreme power of Megatron. Excellent. Yeah.
What's that?
Okay. The supreme power of me and my rubber ducky.
Yes. What's happened? The plot's in shreds. The structure's unfolding. I feel another haiku coming on.
Stow it, yes. Don't you see? They've lured us into an old auto-assembly script reading.
So?
So, anything you do here, Turbot Breath, has consequences.
Yeah, like if you messily devour the baggage. Simon Plum. And now...
Then he'll never have helped What's-His-Face organize auto-assembly. And then this script reading will never have been commissioned, and...
We'll all be wiped out of existence with it, yes?
Existential? Moi? Schisms abound, rifts open, I fall into nothing.
Couldn't have put it better myself.
2 words, bounty hunter. Stale and me.
Kind of impressed, yes. Even let you off the bounty hunter this time.
So, when we're done here, I got me a Hasbro shark herd needs thinning by 1.
Hate to leave a contract undone. A paycheck on cash, but yes, we're done, yes.
While all this is going on and on, a certain police bot and his allies appear on the horizon, racing in and transforming to robot mode.
Simon Plum?
Here we in, guys.
I'm Chase, and these are the rescue bots. We're the refreshingly happy-go-lucky, kid-friendly, wholesome Transformers.
Oh.
What? You were expecting Scott Tracey?
At this point, Simon decides it's time to rescue himself and simply writes himself out of the scene. I must get him to tell me how he does that.
Bloody amateurs. Wouldn't know a rescue if it bit them on the backside and said FAB. That's the third one. Come on.
And with that, the baggage, Simon Plum, is whisked back to the year 1999, where he and then Sven, something or other, found auto assembly. The rest, as they say, is history. And speaking of history, back in the year 2015 or thereabouts.
Anyway, Death said, it turns out Simon Plum has announced that this year's auto assembly is the last. So we've decided to revoke the contract on him.
Fair enough. Bigger fish to fry, yes. Just heard Marvel are giving me a new series. See ya.
Not so fast. Our allies have decreed that there can only be one, so all non-affiliated unofficial third-party Transformers conventions are to be terminated. So we'd like to offer you a hint on the organizer of TFCon.
Let me check my schedule. Maybe I can squeeze it in, yes?
Yes, thanks.
So while Death's Head goes off to eliminate the competition, Skybyte does likewise, heading up to the RID 2015 reality to demonstrate to Hacker Strike it's definitely not safe to go back in the water. Hey, it's a shark thing. Anyway, Arcee and Wheeljack decide to check out Auto Assembly 2015 and see what all the fuss is about.
We're here, and all I see are relieved, jubilant people.
Yeah, convention must be over then. Look, there's the baggage. Simon. Sat down with his feet up while his minions clear away.
A quick body scan reveals he's in A1 health, and that walking stick is just a prop. Wonder if they realize that.
Oh, Simon, we heard you were calling it a day. Auto assembly is no more?
So it's really over? Finished? The end?
Actually, Wheeljack, Arcee, between you and me, it never ends.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alies Meerman, Chris Finney, John-Paul Bove, Nick Roche, Rasmus Hardiker, Horan, Sumalee Montano, and Peter Spellos. Thank you for listening to the Aliens 2015 script reading. We'll be back in about 15 minutes or so for Mr. James Horan in concert. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like button and leave us a comment below. Also, spare a moment to share this video on Twitter, Facebook, and all your social media pages. To get updates on all of our latest videos delivered straight to your inbox, subscribe now using the link on the screen.